Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long I didn't film a video, and I guess you know why. My throat is still not well and I still don't have my voice, but I really wanted to film a video for you guys. It's been so long, so please excuse me for this short video. It's going to be very short and a very simple video, but I really just wanted to put out something for you guys. Now, as you can see, I've already done my base makeup, and there's just one product that I wanted to talk about today. It's quite an old product in the market. It's been there for quite some time, but I really don't see a lot of people talking about it. I don't know why. I recently discovered it. Even I hadn't tried it before. I recently discovered it and I am absolutely fallen in love with this product. So first of all, let me tell you what I did on my face. I just did some color correcting, and for that I used my LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector, and then for the foundation I went in with my Makeup Revolution foundation stick. On top of that, I applied my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and I just set the concealer with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder. I also went ahead and filled in my eyebrows already. And the product that I wanted to talk about in today's video is my Revlon Kiss Cloud Plotted Lip Color. So this is what it looks like. It's been in the market for quite some time, guys, but I really do not see anybody talking about it. It's a beautiful and a very multi-purpose kind of a product. You can use it as a tint on your cheeks, on your lips, and just anywhere you want to, and give such a beautiful and a very natural sun-kissed look to the face. This is the product that I was wearing in my top 10 concealers video as well, which I'll link on the screen above. It gives such a beautiful tint all over your face. It just makes you look like you've been out in the sun and you have that beautiful flush of color from within to your face. I'm going to show you how I like to use it. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to apply it directly on my cheeks with this. I know it looks really intense and very pigmented right now, but once you blend it out, it will give you the most beautiful flush of color to your face. I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to just dab it out. You can see it gives such a beautiful and a very fresh flush of color all over your face, and I absolutely love this product. And you can see it has blended out so beautifully. You can build it up as much as you want to. I'm going to apply some more to the cheeks and also to my nose and chin to add that really beautiful flush of color just all over my face. It really just makes your face look like one of those Instagram filters in which you have that beautiful, sun-kissed flush of color all over your face. And I've absolutely fallen in love with this product. I'm also going to take it on my lips, and it gives the most beautiful blotted stained look to your lips as well. After this, I'm going to add a tiny bit of a bronzer. This is not exactly a bronzer. This is a highlighting stick from Flower, but the shade on this is perfect for bronzing to me. I'm going to add just the teensiest bit of it to add a tiny amount of definition to the face. And a very small amount of my Maybelline Master Strobing Cream just on the highest points of my face. I'm going to take the tiniest dot of it, and with my finger only I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face. And along with my brow bone, inner corner of the eye, and on the cupid's bow as well. And lastly, I'm going to just finish off the look with a nice coating of mascara, and you are ready for your day. I'm just taking my K Beauty by Katrina Lala Lash Mascara. I'm not going too heavy with it today because I want to keep it really nice and natural, just like a no makeup look. So just a tiny bit of it. I think just a single coat of mascara to give that nice lift and to make your eyes look open. That is it, guys. I'm ready for my day. It is such a beautiful no makeup look. This has been my go-to kind of a makeup look, and I am obsessed I am literally obsessed with this beautiful product. Let me know in the comments below if you have already tried this product or if you wish to try it. But guys, trust me, I swear by this product. It is a universally flattering kind of a makeup product, and it will look absolutely stunning on each and every one of you. And yeah guys, thank you so much for your patience. You guys have been so patient with me while I've been absent from my channel, but I'll be back soon. I am just waiting for my throat to completely heal up, and I'll be back with lots and lots of makeup content for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.